For centuries, women have practiced and saved their needlework on samplers. A sampler is a personal reference work of embroidery featuring learned or original patterns to be recreated on new pieces. American samplers with alphabets and decorative motifs date back to the early 1800s, but the earliest known American sampler was made long before, in 1645 from the Plymouth Colony. Around the early 1800s, wealthy families would send their daughters to a girls' school to study needlework. Since these school projects were typically signed and dated, they now stand out from most of women's traditional handwork. The results have come to represent early women's education. This sampler from the History Center's artifact collection is also signed and dated. It says, Hannah Christopher Sampler worked in the 11th year of her age at National School Carleton, March 30, 1838. The Carleton School was in Pennsylvania. Hannah's sampler features the alphabet, numerals, floral designs, and geometric patterns. The main text is 2 verses of a hymn by Thomas Moore, who was alive from 1779 until 1852. It begins, "This world is all a fleeting show," with the refrain, "There's nothing bright but heaven." Hannah's sampler was donated years ago by Dave Kingston and is from his family. This October 4th, enjoy historical and modern fiber art at the History Center's Fiber Festival. The festival will include educational and creative demos by local fiber art experts, a fashion show where you can show off your own creations, and take-home crafts and activities for all ages.